Google Chrome in 2025. 4 essential trends you need to know. In 2025, Google Chrome remains the world's most popular browser, and it's not just resting on its laurels. With the pace of digital evolution accelerating, Chrome continues to reinvent how users experience the web. This year, several major developments are transforming the browser into more than just a tool for accessing websites. It's becoming a central hub for productivity, privacy. So, don't get it now. Just relax and just watch me go away. And seamless digital living. The first big shift is Chrome's integration of AI-driven features directly into the browsing experience. Powered by Google's latest Gemini AI architecture, Chrome now offers real-time content summarization, contextual search assistance, and predictive navigation. These AI enhancements analyze not just the current web page, but also browsing history and user intent to offer proactive suggestions. For example, while reading a long article, Chrome can now generate a summary panel or even convert it into a podcast-ready script using voice synthesis tools. These upgrades make content consumption faster, especially for mobile users on the go. Additionally, the new AI dashboard allows users to fine-tune how much automation they want, striking a balance between help and control. The second major development is Chrome's revamped privacy toolkit. In response to rising concerns over data tracking and third-party cookies, Chrome has fully implemented its Privacy Sandbox initiative. The Flock experiment has been abandoned in favor of Topics API 2.0, which categorizes user interests without tracking individuals across the web. New visual tools now let users see exactly what categories they're being grouped into and manage their exposure. Also, permission alerts have become smarter, flagging suspicious access requests and offering automatic blocking options. This makes Chrome a fortress for privacy without sacrificing user experience. Importantly, all of these privacy features are visually rich and user-friendly, designed with clear iconography and dashboards that make privacy understandable to non-tech users. The third area of transformation is Chrome's seamless cross-device syncing and offline functionality. With an increasing number of users working from multiple devices, Chrome has introduced a unified dashboard to manage sessions, tabs, and even clipboard content across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can now copy a text on your Android phone and paste it into a web form on your Chromebook instantly. Offline browsing has also improved dramatically. Chrome caches entire reading lists and even auto-downloads PDFs and reference articles you're likely to need based on your calendar and browsing trends. This functionality is critical for professionals, students, and travelers, ensuring uninterrupted access to important content even in low connectivity environments. Lastly, Chrome has embraced modular customization through Chrome Spaces, a new visual layout system. Users can now create and save different workspace setups tailored to specific tasks, like research, entertainment, or project management. Each space supports draggable widgets such as tab groups, AI assistants, cloud drives, and task trackers. Visual bookmarks and smart previews let users interact with pages without opening them fully. For creators and productivity hackers, this means less tab chaos and more streamlined focus. It turns the browser from a passive tool into a personalized control center. Chrome Spaces are especially impactful for users who want to optimize their screen real estate. And the visual nature of these setups makes them ideal for infographic-style illustrations and guides. These four developments, AI-enhanced browsing, advanced privacy tools, cross-device syncing, and modular workspaces, define the Chrome experience in 2025. They're not only highly functional, but also visually engaging, making them perfect for podcast storytelling paired with dynamic poster-style illustrations.